How to cancel Uber. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from The Solution Guy, and in today's guide video I'll simply show you how you can cancel your Uber ride. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are two instances: to cancel an Uber that you actually just booked, or to cancel a scheduled Uber ride. Now first of all, how to cancel an Uber you just booked. Assuming the app is still looking for a driver, tap the bar at the screen's bottom that reads finding your ride. Then tap cancel, then tap on the yes cancel to confirm. Now if you've already matched, tap the bar at the screen's bottom that shows the inbound driver's info, then hit the cancel trip button. Tap yes cancel to confirm. If you are fast enough, you'll see a message that confirms that you won't be charged a fee. Now, how to cancel a scheduled Uber ride. Tap the three parallel bars at the top left of the app's home screen, then tap your trips in the menu that pops out, and after that tap the oval that reads past at the top right corner of the screen, then hit upcoming. Then tap cancel ride, then confirm by tapping the box that reads cancel ride. And that's all it takes to cancel Uber, whether it be a ride that you just booked or whether it be something that you scheduled. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.